A lot of people have been calling Turbo the next Dogecoin. In today's episode, we are going to be talking about the technical analysis as far as how far the price of Turbo might end up dropping because we seem to be losing a little bit of momentum. This is definitely a very healthy correction, and you always have to remember where we are coming from. So, for the past 14 days, we are up by about 38.1%. The past 30 days have been amazing as the price of Turbo is still up by about 50%. And overall, we are still doing very well because the market cap and the fully diluted valuation are at 648 million US dollars, which is pretty healthy. And Turbo is listed on large exchanges such as Binance. So all we have to do is be patient and trade the coin with the market fluctuations that have been happening and that are going to be happening in the future. All you have to understand is a little bit of TA is definitely going to save you a lot of money. All right, so as you can see right over here, right, we obviously got rejected right around the price control area, the point of control, which is obviously corresponding to this, white line right over here. As you can see, it's extending all the way to the left. So what does this mean? Well, it means there was a lot of people selling. There was a lot of contracts that were exchanged between the buyers and the sellers. And unfortunately, the sellers emerged victorious. But you have to always zoom out because a lot of you really get in, you get consumed by the current situation, neglecting the recent past. Okay, so the recent past has been very, very good. You definitely enjoyed pumps ever since the price was on the 3rd of October. From the 3rd of October, the price has been pumping non-stop, except for these few days where the price obviously had a little bit of a retracement and it continued going back. So this looks like a fourth wave correction, and what we need to do is whenever this correction is done, best believe there's going to be a continuation towards the upside, and that is definitely going to be coming up. And you have to remember, a lot of people have made a lot of money investing in Turbo, and these people are going to be taking profits. A lot of people who invested in Turbo when the market cap was sub 20 million US dollars, a lot of these people probably made a lot of money. It's Lamborghini time, and it's time to cash out. Now, the question to you guys who were buying the top, you're obviously freaking out. And this is one of the reasons why you can never always chase the pumps. Yes, the price is going to continue up, and probably the market cap of Turbo is going to go higher, but you have to understand that price is all about playing the game because it's a zero-sum game, and some people are going to lose, some are going to win. So this is one of the reasons why you have to look for the fairest price. In my opinion, the fairest price of Turbo is obviously getting to retest this particular area of interest right here. This to me is gonna be a fair price. Why do I say it's gonna be a fair price? It's because we are definitely not so far off from this trading action, and this trading action from this area right over here all the way to this push up. So if you take a look at the difference with regards to the price, right, it's negligible. And this is a very fair price before continuing to go to the upside. So if I were you, or if you are probably looking for an entry or a re-entry, be patient with it. We need to see the price retest this particular high and solidify this structure. Previous resistance becomes the next support. So the price could potentially even drop as low as this bearish doji right over here. If I increase the levels here, right, you guys are obviously going to see that there is a very important order block right over here. This is going to be retested sometime. It could be in the next 2 years, it could be in the next 2 weeks, it could be in the next 2 months. Nobody really knows. But all we have to understand is we definitely have another reason to believe that we're going to see either the price coming to this level, because if we go to a different time frame, let's go to the 4-hour time frame, and you guys are going to see the confluence that I'm talking about. So these candles right over here are very important. These are the candles that really led to the breakout over here. So one thing that I can tell you for a fact is the price of turbo is definitely going to come back down to this level sooner or later. We're going to see the price of turbo weak to this level. So let me even further zoom in so that you guys understand which order block I'm talking about. So in the next coming few weeks, we're obviously going to drop to this level, which is only about a 10%. It's only a 10% price drop. So we can end up going to $0.008. So let me just type that in. So we might end up going to 0.008. Okay, that is definitely going to be coming. Worst case scenario, we might potentially end up finding support right over here. Okay, so let me just extend it. You see? So our target is obviously going to be 0.008 all the way down to 0.00747. So if I were you, right, these are the areas of interest I would be looking forward to finding another entry. However, depending on the bullishness and how the markets interpret the supply and the demand, we could potentially not see these levels. Maybe these levels are not going to be tested. Well, it's premature for us to conclude otherwise, but I'm going to be looking out for any reversal patterns. If we see a lot of bullishness and we end up reversing towards the upside, then I'm going to be playing longs. At the moment, I'm going to be careful with my turbo play, and I'm going to wait for lower prices. This is the smartest thing to do, and it's the fairest price to get in, because if you get in at these levels, right, between this rectangular box right over here and this rectangular box, especially this one, you know, this is going to be the fairest price, because this is the high that we're dealing with, and it's not really far off of the highs there. So if you get to buy at these levels, you are obviously going to be dealing with the fairest price possible, and you don't really have a lot of downside risk unless something drastic happens, which could potentially send the prices lower. Now, a lot of you probably clicked on this video because you are excited about Turbocoin being the next Dogecoin. Why do I really think Turbocoin has got a very good chance of being as high as Turbocoin? Well, for starters, it's all about adoption. This is a meme coin. There's nothing spectacular about its technology, its functionality. These guys don't intend on building eye-opening projects or whatever stuff that are going to enhance mankind. This is just basically a pure meme coin, and it's pure speculation. So the same thing is similar with Dogecoin. Dogecoin is also just basically a meme coin. The good thing about Turbo is it has got mass appeal due to the fact that it is easily available on Binance, which is a very good stamp of approval. So if Turbocoin has got potential more eyes on it, then it has got no limit to how high it can grow. So this is what differentiates the cryptocurrency meme coins that could participate and really make an impact from those that are pure speculative and they're just full of degens. At least we are seeing some leadership, some foresight when it comes to the team members or whoever is pushing this meme coin to the next level. So we are seeing a lot of proactiveness, which is a very, very good thing. So overall, in order for us to sort of reach as high as Dogecoin, we have to compare the market cap of Dogecoin and the market cap of Turbo. So let's take a look at the market cap of Dogecoin, and we are going to be able to see the discrepancies. So Dogecoin is ranked number 9. It's actually part of the top 10 cryptocurrencies, which is very, very impressive. Back in the day, I couldn't have guessed that Dogecoin would be this successful. So take a look at the billion market cap valuation of Dogecoin. So the Dogecoin market cap valuation is 20 billion US dollars, and it's ranked number 9. So in comparison to Turbo is ranked 126. So if this had to go into the top 10, obviously you guys are going to end up making a lot of money. The market cap valuation of Turbo is obviously only under $1 billion US dollars. So you can potentially make another 20 to 50x on this one, conservatively speaking. So I really believe it's going to do very well. It also has got a cult following. A lot of people are rooting for this coin to do very well. So I wouldn't mind, and I wouldn't be surprised if I saw it perform better than a lot of altcoins. So anyhow, that's all I had for you. You guys have been awesome. My name is Crypto Hype. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for technical analysis, all that trading knowledge that you need to know. If you are interested in meme coins, you can always subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I always give you the alpha when it comes to saving money and making a whole lot of money. That's all I had for you today. You guys have been awesome. I know for a fact that you really want to make a lot of money, and you want to make life-changing money investing in cryptocurrencies. And this is one of the reasons why you have to be part of my trading group. So the fees are pretty cheap. They are affordable. $500 US dollars one-time lifetime fee, and we are guaranteed to make 200% profit monthly. We also specialize in meme coins. We find and create meme coins on Pump.fun, Solana, Base ecosystem, and we find meme coins that are under 5,000 US dollars as their market cap, and we definitely know how to market these. We also have trading consultations and tutorials where new beginners, intermediate, pros, etc. can have a one-on-one consultation with experts, and you can be given examples and tutorials on how to intensify your trading and how to be a profitable trader. So remember, only $500 US dollars. Email that email on your screen right now, 2019nextup@gmail, and just say you want to be part of the trading group. Let's make money.